Hi guys, it's Nunu. This is my week 15 message from Nunu. It is December 4th, 2018. Although I've just looked at my watch, it's 2:41 a.m. Maybe it's the 5th. We're about to start our Wednesday class in week 15. A quick reminder to stay focused in this class. You need to click on modules frequently, left menu, second item down. Right over here is where modules is. Doing so, clicking on modules will make sure you complete all assignments due each week. Please make sure that you look at modules. We are in week 15 now. Make sure you complete the week 15 work and also review the class notes below. We are in week 15. Read the week 14 notes to learn what we did last week and read what we are doing in week 15. I'm going to go ahead and scroll down to week 15 to show you that the notes are in place for what we did on Monday. They are right here, okay? And we are about to go into Wednesday. Now keep in mind, we are at the preliminary draft stage, and I am not accepting any late assignments at this point, okay? We are in the last 2 weeks of class. If you have any questions or concerns, you can reach me in class or here in inbox, or you can see me during my office hours. You know my name, Nuala Mary Linka, aka Nunu. My office hours, I'm in General Classroom Building 210D, Mondays and Wednesdays from 12:45 to 2:15 p.m. All right, see you soon for our Wednesday class in week 15.